Ngiyanibingelela bazalwane namhla ekseni egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Bingelela bazalwane ngokukholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu unani la ngikhona khona noma ngabe ngikuphi la ngikhona khona. Namhla tingu4 ku-October ku-2022 kulanga bazalwane lapho uNkulunkulu athi asesikhulume ngana indzaba letholakala encwadzini yaGenesis ku-chapter 9 uma uqala kufunza ku-verse 20 uyibeka ku-verse 24. Lithi iBhayibheli lana bazalwane Noah abeyoqala kulima sivini bazalwane wabese unatha liwayini wadzakwa walala. Lithi iBhayibheli Noah walala angunu bese ke ekseni bazalwane Noah bekana abantwana abathathu kuna Hamu na Jafet na Shem. Lithi iBhayibheli ekseni Hamu wayongena lapho bekulele khona babo wakhe nakafika wabona babo wakhe angunu kunokuthi amvele buhlungu babo wakhe ukuthi ungqunu ambathise. Lithi iBhayibheli wagijima waya ngaphandle wayobita bomnakabo boJafet na Shem wathi buyani nitobona bungqunu beyise. Lithi iBhayibheli nabaqhamuka bomnakabo sebavile ukuthi kumele batobona bungqunu beyise. Lithi bathatha ingubo bathi mbonye ubuso bahamba reverse baya la kunababa wabo khona bafike bambhonya ngale ngubo ngoba bangafuni kubona bungqunu beyise. Nkosi namhla ekseni I am a father of 5. Bantwana bazalwane kubakhulisa is not something lelula. Kukhulisa bantwana kuyabida. Ngikhulisile bazalwane bantwana labasihlanu ngamunye unetindo lekadlula kuto ngulona loyo mntwana unendlela yakhe yokukhula. Bantwana bazalwane bakuniketa ama sleepless nights. Bantwana bazalwane bakwenda uqabange kakhulu ebusuku awukhona ukulala especially nabasesebancane kuba khona bumatima umntali lekadlula kubo batali labanye bantwana they can attest to this. But it's not easy to raise umntwana, it's not easy to look after a child, but because you have a mandate, but because you are a parent, because you are a mother or a father, there is that genuine love inside you that to say I need to make sure good umntwana wami uyakhula, I need to make sure good umntwana wami is well taken care of. Ngibazalwane batali bandlula ebumatimeni lobumatima benda tinvo leti matima ukuze ukuthi umntwana akhule. But basically iBhayibheli naba bazalwane babantwana banowa bazalwane nangu Hamu sekabubonile bungqunu beyise kunokuthi kube nguye lekadlala a major role yokuprotecta uyise ngoba phela nangu uyabona ukuthi uyise unebungqunu but simbona thatha bazalwane bungqunu beyise afuna kuyobukhomba nakubomnakabo. Lithi iBhayibheli sekavuka Noah sekavile ukuthi umntwana wakhe Hamu nguyele kabite bomnakabo watobatshela ukuthi yena bekangqunu wahlekisa ngaye. Lithi iBhayibheli Noah he declared a curse kuHamu wabese udeclare ema blessings kuJafet na Shem. Ngitomemetela bazalwane namhla ekseni ukuthi nangukuthi ungumntwana unebatali, be it your biological parents, be it your spiritual parents, whoever who has contributed in your upbringing, whoever that has contributed in your growing, I'm here to proclaim live la uNkulunkulu ekseni kuthi uNkulunkulu bazalwane umile evini lakhe. Lithi live la uNkulunkulu encwadzini yabase Efesu chapter 6 lithi banibana hloniphani uyihlo nonyoko ngokuba lokho kunesithembiso. Lesi number 1 kube kuhle kuwe, number 2 uphila impilo lethe, number 3 konke kukhambele kahle. Ngitosi namhla ekseni some of us if we are not careful about the things that you are doing right now or the things that we did in the past, if we are not careful about how we are dealing or how we are addressing our parents, be it your biological or spiritual parents or be it at work, whoever lekadlala inzima yokuba a superior in your life, that person deserves to be treated with dignity, deserves to be respected because he or she has contributed in your upbringing, he or she has contributed in your life. Ngitomemetele ekseni ukuthi some of the cases lesikuwo we are not cursed because bazalwane satalwa nako kodwa we are cursed because we are doing the direct opposite of the will of God. The will of God says honor your mother and your father. Bazalwane ekseni kule bantu labanyenti lebahlekisako ngebatali babo because nabasibaya babuka ngoba bona ngelo seba matured matured ngoba wena mntwana ngiyalisothi bona umatured wena mntwana sothi bona so nako konke so yakhona kudendela awusathi your assistant of your parents then sothi bona ngathi you are far much better so ubukela phansi labo leba contribute empilweni yakho into etokutshela namhla kuseni ukuthi by so doing you are attracting cases you are attracting bazalwane tinhlupheko but you can change your life you can do a remarkable turnaround in your life by doing the opposite instead of humiliating your parents but you may start taking good care of them bazalwane ngithi mina angikhulume namhla kuseni kuthi labanye bakubita ngeblack tax labanye bakubita kumbe whatever that you wanna call it white tax or whatever that you wanna call it but I'm here to tell you good if you are having someone if you have someone in your life who has contributed in your life bese la ukhona khona wena you don't see a reason you don't see a need to look back and start taking good care of those people angisho ukuthi akube a monthly basis angisho ukuthi akube a weekly basis but once in your lifetime buke move la uqhamuka khona and contribute towards those people ngoba nabo ngekhathi tabo uma kusase responsibility yabo kukunakekela wena they make sure good you are dressed they make sure good you are taken good care of they make sure good when you were sick you are getting the attention you are getting the medication that you needed they make sure good you are always protected always clothed always under a shelter always sleeping with food in your stomach you never went to bed on a hungry stomach on an empty stomach because they were there and now it's your turn now you are calling the shots and you start so ubona emaphutha kubatali bakho noma ngabe umntalo wakho enkosini noma ngabe umntalo wakho lo wakukhulisa noma ngabe umntalo wakho lo mhlamba ngimakhelwane whoever leka contributile as I'm preaching right now you can remember of someone who contributed positively in your life and I'm asking you a question are you protecting such people are you there for such people if they cry out unto you are you reaching out to help them or so hlekisa ngabo ngoba phela wena so umekahle mntwana sekhaya ntokukhumbuta you are where you are now because of them you are where you are now because they contributed kungendeka bekangumakhelwane who was contributing in your life kungendeka bekangumntalo wakho who was contributing in your life kungendeka bekungumfundisi wakho who was contributing in your life kungendeka bekungogo wakho whoever who was contributing in your life kungendeka even nasemsebenzini kunebantu leba contributile kuze uthi ufike la ukhona khona but I'm here to declare this morning kuthi nangukuthi awubathathele enhloko labo bantu labo you are attracting yourself a curse but you can change things and start doing good wende kahle listen Bible boShafeti na Shem ngoba bona baya bafika bambhonya bunzuni beyise listen Bible no one akavuka waba blessa ngento sikuwe your blessings are not far away but your blessings are amongst those who contributed in your life start to honor them start to respect them start to treat them with dignity start to show some appreciation towards their doing because they contributed in your life namhle kuseni busiseka ungakhohlwa la uqhamuka khona ungakhohlwa la uqhamuka khona uzube la kuna la uqhamuka khona la uqhamuka khona babuke wena ungakhohlwa la uqhamuka khona stay blessed amen.